in this nutritional supplement category, there is a stigma around, are they able to live up to the claims that they put out there? How do they do that? Is there any type of efficacy? Is there any type of testing? How do you ensure that the ingredients that are on the label are actually the ingredients that are in there? Do you have any plans to, do any studies down the path of proving the effectiveness, or thinking about it in terms of this is how we continue to validate it? Or is it more, which so often is the case in kind of the wellness and nutritional space, it's like, I feel the difference, but it hasn't quite been to the point where it's been tested and studied like a healthcare treatment or a science-backed kind of treatment?
It's a good question. So we're not a medical product. We're not required by the FDA to go have a series of clinical studies to be able to put this out in the market. We are research and science backed with some of the smartest research advisors in the world. And each of those ingredients gets massively vetted for quality. There's science and a ton of science on all of them. There's growing science on the synergy of how they work together, something that we pioneered as a synergistic approach to how your body absorbs nutrients that interfaces with the gut health. And then there's this quality certifications that you can look at to say, yeah, what is in the bottle, the pouch, the packet is on the label. Those are things like the Nsf Certified for sport, which tell you that what is on the label is in there and nothing else is. It's also like the Therapeutic Goods Administration of Australia, which is considered by many to be the most stringent regulatory body. I mean, there's a couple of things that we've done and kind of pioneered in terms of how they relate to a foundation nutritional product that sort of really set the bar. It's quite interesting because I don't think people realize that many supplements in the US, it's just kind of like the Wild West. People are throwing all sorts of stuff in there. They scale their business to a certain point. Then they shut the doors and disappear when they start getting agencies knock on their door or a few more critiques. And it's kind of a shame because there are some great operators out there who are determined to add value to people's lives. And those are the only people I want to interface with in the industry. And I'm pretty keen to really continue to set the bar on how we move this whole minimum acceptable standard around quality.